because they could use some TLC right now. And you're watching the one known as CR. Oh, by the way, I'm using a face covering while I'm doing this. And yeah, I had to empty out the chamber first and remove all this excess stuff way before I start anything else on it. A detachable brush head. You can see it's seen better days. Look at this. Whoever had this didn't even clean this out whatsoever. Look at that. I'll pick this back up in a bit. The chamber. Does the power head actually spin? I'll reconnect this back up. This one right here. I'll do a little bit more vacuum maintenance on that just to finish it up. I brought this back into a useful state again. Spare. Yeah, it's interchangeable too. So I got some interchangeable parts. As our world changes, we're gonna adapt to our skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone out there. Take care.